Welcome to CEO FaceTime. Today on CEO FaceTime, we have two very interesting guests on our show. Mr. Joel Bauer, who is a prolific persuasion master and speaker, and also David, who is a very young entrepreneur. Welcome to our show today.
Pleasure.
Pleasure. Nice to meet you.
Thanks for coming in this morning. Well, can you share a little bit about your background, especially David?
But before we go there, though, David met me at my seminar, the Passion to Profit seminar. And look at what he has done. These are two of his best-selling books now, and he has more. You're working on another one now. Another two books. These are three of his systems on selling, negotiating, and persuading. And they're quite impressive. It's because he went to his father and he said, "You're about to spend a lot of money on my education, my traditional college education. Would you give me that money and allow me to invest in specialized education? Because I think it will help me more. It'll be more emotionally fulfilling." And his father was not too excited.
Yeah, not too excited.
Initially. He finally said, "Okay, I'll give you X amount of period of time." How long was that?
About 2 years.
2 years. David studied with the best of the best, in my opinion. I don't want to name their names, but anyone in Asia would know from television and newspaper these names he studied with. And he learned a lot of great stuff. But until he found the Passion to Profit weekend and trained with me, he did not give himself permission to do what he's now done. He now conducts his own seminars. He now produces revenue online through the sales of his systems. He now is a highly paid consultant. In fact, I just hired him to do videography. I didn't know him before. 6 months ago, when I came here to Malaysia, I never met him. He was sitting there in the front row. I have him on a video where he's taking notes. Look at what he's done in 6 months from the Passion to Profit techniques. I am so proud of him, so honored that he would take what I taught him and, in fact, make it his own. Even his design is based upon my exact design for my award-winning business card. These are the tools that I taught him how to build that invite people to his seminars. He just conducted his 10th seminar days ago with wonderful result, not only revenue, but self-esteem. The people feel their lives have been touched as a result of his guidance. I love hearing about him, and personally, I'd love to hear more about his past and what he plans on doing.
Yeah, David, maybe you can share. I mean, being 20 and having accomplished so much so far, what actually made you start to think about, instead of formal education, which most of your friends are doing right now, to actually look into more specialized education?
For me, when it all comes down to when I was 17, I got into an accident. And then, it's those life, death kind of scenarios. And when I woke up in the hospital, I realized that if I were to die today, what would I have achieved? What would I have left behind? And my family, we came from a quite business background family, and the legacy that my granddad, the business, the lives he's changed, like when he passed away, there was a legacy left behind. People remember people who touched other people's lives. So it hit me at the age of 17. It's like, what am I doing with my life? Like, should I be continuing to playing games, going to bars, going to drinks? And I realized that it's meaningless. Like every minute that we have right now, it should be spent. So I decided that the formal education doesn't work, because if I were to go into formal education, I want to learn business. And why would you want to learn business from people who don't have the results? So that's why I talked to my father. I said, let me learn from people who have results, people who had billions and millions of business of their own. Let me learn their strategies, like what Joe does, and let me just apply it. And as I learn them, as I apply them, I start to see the results come to life. And it's like my life is just a roller coaster ride from there. Everything's been taking off. So.
So before you actually met up with Joel to actually learn from him, how did you actually find out about him to begin with?
when I stumbled upon Joe is because I've gone to a lot of seminars, and I know the industry inside out, like inside out. In fact, I'm coming out a book called Confessions of a Seminar Junkie. That's the label people give me. I go to every seminar in the industry, and people happen to see it's like, oh, he's another seminar guy. Why should I go to him? And then I was introduced by someone, I forgot who it was, but what they told me is like, this is the teacher school. He teach the best of the best, the people that I've learned from and charge me thousands and thousands on. And I said, this guy's different, and that's why I went to Joel. And I wasn't disappointed after that.
I mean, you just had Mark Victor Hansen, Robert Allen was just in town here. They hired me as their consultant to provide not only the guidance for their sales process, to build their actual pitch and the content behind what goes into their books. I've been a best kept secret for a lot of years, and I come to Asia right now to give. Could you honestly say that what I gift to people in the 2-day Passion of Profit weekend, at the expo this weekend, at joelbauersingapore.com, what I give to them is easily worth 4,000 Sing, 12,000 ringgit.
Yeah, it's more than that actually. He's just being conservative.
And it's free.
More than that, yeah.
It's. I wish you were there. I wish. Well, no. If the guys in the studio here, the cameramen, were at the event, they wouldn't be working here very long because they would have the secrets to build their own business.
Well, Joel, you actually teach a lot of people about getting paid to do what they love.
Yep.
And I could imagine you love sharing about your passion at your seminars. Can you share a little bit more how you empower other people to make money out of what they love doing?
I believe that the only answer to that, most people talk about themselves, so I could talk about my own systems right now for persuasion, influence, sales, negotiation. What's more impressive is my talking about David. He did not have these systems prior to my event.
No.
So here he is sitting there with all this amazing knowledge. He's been trained by the best sales trainers, negotiators, persuaders. He spent a fortune going around the world to these seminars, but he didn't know how to organize it. He came to my seminar, he built his dream card, then he built his emo card, then he did his video demo. He built all the instruments, then he built his system, then he built his website based upon my design, etc. Then he improved these things to make them his own so that his heart was connected to it. He found his passion and purpose, was able to organize all of it. And now 10 seminars later, he is running a business, a monetized business where he gets paid to do what he loves. He doesn't have to compromise his life. He doesn't have to work for anyone else. He's not just full of hope. He knows exactly what moves to make. And all of that is revealed in 2 days and 2 nights at joelbauersingapore.com or joelbauerlive.com. And I'm going to give you gifts that your audience here can download, even if they can't come. I'm going to teach them 4 principles on a video that if you decide to award it to them, they will have, and it will help them help their children, and it will help them generate additional revenue. David Schwa is what I dream of, and you would think that he's an exception. But David, in your group, and there were about 93 people,
Yeah,
93 from an audience of 430,
yeah.
about 400 people.
Yeah,
They were at the university.
Taylor's School.
Okay.
So they were in, and it was a very loud room. It wasn't optimal.
Yeah.
I had tremendous difficulty hearing myself, but the people sat there. They knew that my heart was in it. They knew that I cared, and I thought I wasn't reaching them. You remember?
Yeah.
And that night, I think I told you, I got very depressed, and I haven't felt that in years. And I was almost like, I don't want to be here, because the people were sitting like this at the seminar, just kind of staring at me. But I'm a professional, and I was committed. I went back the next day. How many people were standing in line to hug me, kiss me? I'm not kidding you.
About 360.
That's a lot, yeah.
Standing there You can't relate to this because you have me here and it's like a guy in a suit and he's on an interview show, but this is so not what we do at the seminar. It is so organized. It is so absolutely assimilatable that you'll be able to implement if you're a housewife, if you're a husband with tremendous pressure on you, if you're someone looking for a new job, if you're looking to accelerate your position or make more money. I have the answers. David came there, and his brilliance that was locked inside him, he was able to organize all of it. And now, quite frankly, he doesn't need me. He doesn't need anyone. He's his own empire. And he will tell you that he's not the only one. There were 93 students
Yeah.
who took action out of the 340. That's a huge percentage, by the way.
Yeah.
About a third. Have they also built their systems?
Yeah.
Are they online?
Yep.
Over 20 of them are doing their own events.
Yeah. 20.
Over 20 are running their own events. They didn't even know how to do an event. I teach them that as well. It's all. If people will just go to joelbauersingapore.com, if there's a seat available at this point. Have you seen us turn people away?
Yep.
Well, David, you're being very young at 20 and having held 10 seminars so far. How do you actually come up with the courage to speak up to a large crowd?
It's a very simple process that Joe teaches at Passion to Profit or his any of his events is that when people speak, they think they're looking at 1,000 people. But Joe, he teaches it's a very unique process. It's just that it's like the same thing that I'm doing with you now. I'm talking to one person. When it comes to going on stage, speaking to an audience, don't think about you're speaking to 1,000 people. Just connect one person at a time. You're connecting to them. You're talking, having a normal conversation because you're not presenting. So that's the key to speaking on stage with confidence. Is you're talking to one person at a time.
He also speaks fearlessly because he's telling his truth. He's only talking about his life experience. Everyone should have a fear of public speaking if they're speaking on something they don't have ownership of. As you so brilliantly remarked, Bill Gates and other experts like him in a certain book that you read. This is The Tipping Point.
Yeah, it's Blink, I think. Yeah.
Blink, same author, and he revealed that you should have thousands of hours of mastery. It doesn't take thousands of hours. I'm able to take someone's fascination with a hobby, a specialized skill set. His fascination with sales, persuasion, influence with these systems that he's built. He plugged them into my model. And now he's being celebrated and acknowledged by his dad, his family. I think they've now accepted the fact that your choice for an untraditional, rather non-traditional education, a specialized education, in going to someone like myself was a good choice.
Yeah.
And the cost for me was zero at the Passion to Profit event.
Yep.
Zero.